Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here today with a very special video. So very well we know that the past 2 years have indeed been very traumatic for all of us. The pandemic, to top everything, has ruined so many things of us. Most of us are still in the processing stage and trying to cope up with the current scenarios. So in such a situation, should we be hopeful about the future at all? We will find this out in the video today. Well, this video is specifically curated for Virgo natives with regards to 2022, which means the upcoming year. In this video today, I'll tell you how your upcoming year will turn out to be with regards to the various aspects of your life. Before moving on to the predictions, I would like to quickly give away the planetary positions and the movements which the planets will undergo during the year 2022. Jupiter will transit in the passage sign in the 11th house on the 13th of April. Rahu will transit in the Aries sign in the 8th house on the 17th of March. On 29th of April, Saturn would transit in the Aquarius zodiac sign in the 6th house, and then on the 12th of July, it would transit in Capricorn sign in the 5th house after becoming retrograde. Let me begin with the love predictions for the year 2022 for Virgo natives. So during this year, natives are more likely to get good results in their love life. However, at the beginning of the year, you are advised to be a little cautious as the month of January seems to be slightly unfavorable for you in terms of love. This will be all because of Saturn in Capricorn, which might create some disturbance in your love life. Marriage proposals may get finalized this year. This is a good news, and you may get hit by your loved ones. Virgo natives who are currently single may get into some romantic relationships this year, which may bring peace in life, and maybe these may turn out to be certain long-term relationships. You can also expect mental support from your spouse or your partner during this year. Speaking about your career, then this year may be a good time for Virgo natives. Minor challenges and obstacles, which have always been the case, may arise throughout the year, which you may not be able to overcome with perfection. Corporate workers can expect a promotion. Individuals who are planning to change their industry may be able to do better in this particular year. People who are currently unemployed may get a job in the year 2022. It is advised to pay more attention to the activities of your co-workers and take every step very cautiously. Utilize your work experience at your workplace to save yourself from getting into any unexpected situations. If we talk about the education horoscope for 2022 with regards to the students of this sign, the beginning of the year would be moderately favorable from a competitive examination perspective. This year, hard and sincere efforts are to be put in if you want to be successful in your academic life. The time period is favorable for the students who are serious about going abroad or to a distant place for getting their education. In the second half of the year, the period will be very much favorable and it would be an auspicious time for participating in examinations, the competitive ones. If you succeed in those competitive examinations, you will also succeed if you intend to acquire any professional education. Speaking about your financial life, you can expect better days and conditions to arrive in 2022. This year may bless you with a lot of economic growth in many ways. You may get help from your family members and friends for financial matters. Your expenditure may also be low and new sources of income may open up in front of you. You may also buy a property with expensive items this year. Be very careful during making monetary transactions and dealings. Virgo natives may have to spend on health, but it is advised to pay attention to the medical diagnostic procedures as there are chances that cheap services may lead you to some problems. The wrong action on the part of the diagnostics or an inexperienced doctor for that matter can cause serious harm not only to the body but also to your wallet. Your family life will give you mixed results this year because while the beginning of the year will be a little weak, the middle part of the year will be fine and the second half of the year will bring the best of results for you. Especially in the middle of the year, you may have to face certain family disputes in between the months of April, May, June, July, August and September. Speaking about your health, you may have to go through a lot of health issues this year. You may also have to pay more attention to your lifestyle and develop better habits to deal with poor health conditions. There are chances of injuries. You may fall prey to certain injuries and there are also physical difficulties in store for you. You should indulge in exercises to enable body fitness. You can also opt for yoga as it is a very good option available for you at this point of time. As for your mental health, you may not feel any major mental disturbance this year. Stress related and any other matters may be there, and you may have to get some external emotional support at one point or the other. Before moving on to the remedies, let me quickly give away the lucky number for the year, which will be 6, as the rulership of Virgo is Mercury and the year is definitely ruled by Mercury. Last but not the least, I would like to give away the astrological remedies which you can implement in your day-to-day lifestyle so as to make 2022 the best year of your life. You can wear panna or emerald embedded gemstone in a gold ring or a golden pendant as suited after getting the due rituals performed to activate and empower this gem. Worship Shani Yantra placed on a copper plate after getting the due rituals as usual performed to activate the yantra by an expert. You should wear a pure gold ring on the ring finger of your left hand. Avoid wearing blue colored clothes. Do not shift the place of worship in your home frequently. These are all the remedies which you can keep in mind to make 2022 the best year of your life. So this was all you need to know about the Virgo horoscope 2022. I really hope that this video would give you a sense of relief in these stressful times. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for connecting with us.
For regular updates, follow our Instagram page right now.